The solar power car can run off of a battery or off of a bright light powering the solar panel. It allows students to investigate alternative energy as well as how a constant velocity vehicle moves. The car has multiple settings. Right now it is set all the way to the right to the off position. The solar cell is not powering any part of the car. This is a good opportunity for you to connect wires to the nubs at the bottom, the connecting posts, and use this just as a regular solar panel. The other connections are solar driven, charging, so when you have a rechargeable nickel hydride battery in this, you can use this as a charging base. And all the way to the left is battery driven. So when you put a battery in here, it will go like a normal battery powered car. Very important thing to note, only use nickel hydride rechargeable batteries. So now I'm going to set this up to run as a regular battery powered car. So I put a battery in there. I'm going to switch this all the way to the left for battery driven. If you put a meter stick in the background, you can actually have them do some video analysis of how far the car goes every second. One thing you should always be aware of when dealing with a solar cell is the rating of a solar cell is totally dependent upon how much direct bright light that it gets. The closer the light, the more power it outputs. But also, if there is an electrical load on it. So for example, I connected a digital voltmeter to the solar cell and I have it to the off position. This is the voltage that solar cell is creating. However, when I move this to the solar driven motor position, the voltage drops a lot because now there's a load on it. So please be aware the voltage you get with the solar cell and bright light is going to change as soon as you connect it to a motor or some other electrical device. The solar powered car is a fun little device for kids to learn about alternative energy, solar panels, ambient light, and also investigating such things as constant velocity. Okay, one thing to keep in mind is use the proper rechargeable battery and don't limit yourself to just what you see in the instructions. This is a battery powered car, so use this for velocity experiments, or see if the students can figure out the power generated by the car by increasing the angle or friction. If you increase the angle, eventually the friction between the tires and the tabletop is not enough to keep it going.